Okay, so you are here because you want to earn money by chatting with people. So I have a solution for you. This website, Rent a Cyber Friend, is a website where you can sign up and make a profile to people to hire you to talk with them. They pay for a minute. So maybe, for example, you are talking for like 1 minute, you can get 50 cents, 2 minutes, $1, etc. So here you can see the main screen. You can see that you can do video calls, you can find people that have your same interests. Can you, like, the conversation is private, pay per minute, connect for as low as 0 0.1 per minute, every minute is for free. Then when you press find cyber friends, you can see that here are people to talk, but you can be one of these people just by signing up. For example, I will pick Greg. So it says that Greg is European, is a trainee, and he's charging $5 per minute. Very expensive for me, but I don't know. Here is Olympia, $1 to $2. So this is it. This website will help you to earn a little bit of money. So if you find this useful, you can subscribe, like, comment, share, click on the bell, and read these facts that are very important because they have some rules. So this is it. Goodbye, people. Easy way.